Hello viewers, how are you today? This is me, Mehdi Shakil here, and you are watching my YouTube channel SS Tech Tutorial. Today I am going to introduce you with Stitch, the Python Remote Administrative Tool or RAT. So what is Stitch? This is a cross-platform Python framework which allows you to build custom payload for Windows, Mac OS and Linux. You are able to select whether the payload binds to a specific IP and port, license for a connection on a port, option to send an email of system info when the system boots, an option to start keylogger on boot. Payloads created can only run on the OS that they were created on. So let's see how to install it on Kali Linux 760.2. You can create custom payload for different operating systems with this tool. All first you need to download the Stitch package from GitHub. You can download it from here or also can use git clone to clone the package on your desktop. You will get this download link from description. Open up a terminal, then change your directory to desktop. Then type here git clone and press that URL here. Then hit enter. Now it's going to clone the Stitch package on your desktop. Here is the Stitch package. Now change the directory to that folder. Now we need to install some requirement package on our Kali Linux machine. Here is the requirement text. You need to install the requirement for pip install. Type this command: pip install -r, then the requirement package text document name, then hit enter. Now it's going to download and install the requirement package on our Kali Linux machine. Wait for some time. Okay, clear your terminal. Here is the main.py Python script. Then just simply execute that script with Python. Type this command: python main.py, then hit enter. Here is Stitch, the Python Remote Administrative Tool or RAT. You can create custom payload for Windows, Mac OS and Linux OS with this Stitch. To show the help and modules, type this command: help. Here is all the option. You can get help of all of this option with just simple command. Type this command: help, then connect. Now let's try to connect. Type this command. Type it: connect, then your targeted IP address, and your port number. Default port is 4040. Then hit enter. Now it's trying to connect with that IP address. So that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe my YouTube channel SS Tech Tutorials and stay connected to my channel for upcoming video tutorials. Thanks for your watching.